It's live football TV application that I've come across since today. I'll be showing you guys how to use it like a pro. To watch full video, stay tuned. Again, this application doesn't allow me to screen record, so I can't pretty much show you guys how to fully use the application. But what I can tell you from here is what's going to happen. I can still navigate you through the application. But once you've opened the application, you pretty much will see all the leagues. You have the option to go in the score section as well to see the matches, latest matches score, and so forth. So let's say you want to select whichever league, La Liga, you'll be able to see that option. Once you've selected that option, they're going to show you all the available live leagues that are going on at the current moment. And once you've selected, let's say, Arsenal versus Barcelona, that's match is playing now, you can select that one. Once you've selected that, will pretty much prompt you to download a IPTV application. Once you've downloaded the IPTV application, you just close that and go back into this application here, which is the live football TV application, and select the match that you want to watch. Once you have selected that, it will give you a prompt again to select whichever match you want to watch. Once you have selected the match, it will pretty much start live streaming the actual match. So very easy application to use, and sadly I won't be able to show you guys how to actually use it by showing you to navigate and so forth, but I really think it's a great application for you to try out. And if you have any questions at all, just feel free to comment below as well, and I see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.